Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the Slack environment. You should already receive an email from me that contains the Slack's invitation link. Click on the link and follow the instruction to sign up for Slack and our workspace. Please use your UNM email to register, otherwise you will be denied from joining our course on Slack. Please enter your full name and full last name when you are registering. Also, save the invitation email and your username and password for future reference. When you join a Slack, you're joining our courses workspace on your web browser, which is the home page you can see here. On the left side of this workspace, you can see the name of this workspace, statistic, channels, and direct messages. If you choose a statistic, you will see it opens some options for you. If you click on pause notification, you can adjust the alert the way you like. If you click on view profile, you can edit your profile, and actually I like to know my students, so if it is possible, please have a picture of yourself on your profile. In this part actually, let me close this. In this part actually, you can see all the channels I have created for your course. If you don't see either of them, you can click on this plus sign and add the channels I made for this workspace. If you click on any of these channels, you will see some information related to this course. Remember, channels are public environments, which means any one of your classmates can read your post and write a comment on them. In the announcement channel, I will publish the announcements, the information related to your assignments, related to the course, the due dates for assignments, and anything else to notify you of any change or update. In the general channel, I will post any interesting news or video or article related to your course or related to academia. In this channel, actually, you can post your questions related to the course. If you like to find a classmate to work together as a group, you can post it here. Also, you can post your ideas and anything related to the class. And also, as soon as the first week of classes begins, please write down an introduction about yourself so we can know each other better. In Notes channel, you can find the PDF that I have created for each chapter. The PDFs are the brief version of each chapter on the ebook. Also, you can click on the PDF and it shows the content for you. And as you see, there are some links here that you can click on and it directs you to an interesting tutorial related to that topic. And besides, there's an option here. You can download this PDF by clicking on these options. Okay, I will close this. Now, in projects channel, I have uploaded all the projects I'm assigning to you for the semester. You can click on download and download these projects. In Video Crunchit, here you will find the video tutorial I'm going to make to explain how to use Crunchit for each chapter. This is going to be here very soon. In video links, I have uploaded the links here. You will find the YouTube links to the lecture videos I have recorded in the past, and you will click on these links and it takes you to the YouTube channel and you can watch these videos. And also please read the description for each video. For example, this one. It says, watch this after 12 minutes for sampling distribution. Also, there are some additional videos from another channels too. Okay, under the channel area here, you can find my name. If you click on my name, you can write a private message to me. You can change the font. You can use and try all of these options. This is for code for my programming class. And here you can upload your file. It says choose from your computer. And also this is the option you should use when you are uploading your project for me. And please actually make sure that you already sent the file to me and it is not failed for different reason. So, for example, if you have difficulty solving a question, please send me your work as a picture so I can see your work and help you. This actually chat room should have an option here on top. That would be a picture of phone. If you choose that, you will be able to call me during the office hours and during the daytime. But please send me a message before calling to notify me so I can make sure I respond to your call and I'm not talking to the other students. You can also choose a video call, and that video call actually can be a conference call too. Means we can add additional students, additional classmates too. Okay. So until now, we were working on Slack on the browser, as you see here. You can download the Slack app for your desktop and your cell phone to be able to receive a notification. In the syllabus, I have provided you with all possible download links for different operating systems. Please check the syllabus for more information. But if you don't have access to syllabus right now, right away, you can just Google it. You can Google Slack for Android and you will click on this link and download a Slack for your phone. Okay, I actually believe working on the app is much easier than working on the web. Besides, you will receive notifications right away on your phone. Here is the Slack I have installed on my Mac. As you see, the area is similar to what you saw on the web browser, but I have an additional option here. Here I have on the left side, as you see, I have all my work spaces pinned. so I can easily switch from one course to another course. Okay, this is all I like to show you on Slack. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and please let me know if you have more questions. We'll see you soon. Take care of yourself.